How to log into CapCut using an email address. So if you head over to the CapCut app and you try signing into your account, you may have noticed that there's no option to sign in using an email address. So in this video, I'll show you how to go and sign in using your email. Now, all you need to do is head over to your smartphone. This can be an Android or an iPhone as well. You'll then just need to load up the App Store and make sure you have the CapCut app installed. Now, once you've installed the CapCut app, we can go and open it up like so, and then just head over to the sign in page. Now, from your phone, you'll have the option to sign in with email. So just go ahead and click on sign in with email and then sign in to your CapCut account. Now, once you're signed in, you can click on Me at the bottom of the page and then click on Scan. Now, this will go and open up the camera. You can then head back over to CapCut on your computer and then from the sign in page, select Use QR Code. You then simply need to point your phone's camera at the QR code. It will then ask you to confirm the sign in request on your mobile, press OK. And this will automatically sign you into your CapCut account now using that email address.